Welcome back. You are watching the 15th match in round 2 of the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores now are Broughton Primary on 22 points and McIntosh Memorial Primary on 19 points. During the final face-off in social studies, the question was asked, the Jose is a festival in which religion? Question was asked to Broughton. Their answer was Muslim. That answer is incorrect. The correct answer is Islam as the religion. So now it's time for Section 3, the final challenge. In this section, questions will be thrown open to both teams, with the first team buzzing in, earning the right to answer after being identified. Teams will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but lose 2 for each incorrect answer, or if they answer before being identified. So teams with 4 minutes on the clock, we begin with local affairs. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. President of the Jamaica Baptist Union, Karen Curlew. Sports. Which former Jamaican and West Indies batsman was nicknamed Yaga? Lawrence Rowe. Bible knowledge. What are the Gospels of the Bible in the order that they appear? McIntosh.
Mark, Luke, and John. Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John.
Correct. Science. What is the name for a mixture in which large solid particles settle out of the liquid or gas? Broughton.
Sediments.
Incorrect. Suspension. English language. Complete the proverb. Wishful waste. Broughton.
Bring woeful wants.
Bring woeful wants.
Judges. Accepted. Correct. Music. Which American singer was known as the godfather of soul? James Brown. Jamaican heritage. In the Jamaican folk song, This Long Time Gal, what exactly sits down on the treetop?
John Crow.
McIntosh.
John Crow.
Incomplete. Peelhead Jonkro. Television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Tatiana Ali. Mathematics. What is the difference between 54.98 and 18.99? McIntosh. $35.99. Social studies. What is another name for shooting stars? Meteors or meteoroids. Television. What is the name of the business portion of TVJ's primetime news on Fridays? Broughton.
Business day.
Incorrect. The financial week. Sports. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person. Broughton.
O'Shane Richards.
Incorrect. O'Dane Richards. Bible knowledge. Chilion and Malon were 2 sons of which woman? Naomi. Science. What is the name of the regular supply of water to land, usually through tubes, to help crops and other plants? Broughton.
Irrigation.
Grow. Correct. English language. Does the word digress mean to dig deeper, to stress out someone, or to go off on a tangent? To go off on a tangent. Music. Which Jamaican music group recorded the song Try Jalove? Third World. General knowledge. What is the most popular city in South America? Broughton.
Brazil. Brazil.
Broughton.
Brazil.
City would be Sao Paulo, so that is incorrect. Local affairs. Lisa Hanna is the Member of Parliament for which constituency in Jamaica? Broughton. Southeast St. Anne. Mathematics. What is the sum of 7 over 8 and 3 over 5 as a mixed number in its lowest terms?
We lose.
Okay, we are out of time. The answer would have been 1 and 19 over 40. So that is the bell signifying the end of the round and the end of today's match. The final scores now have McIntosh Memorial Primary on 15 points and Broughton Primary on 16 points. So congratulations to Broughton Primary and a very close game played by McIntosh Memorial Primary. Please stay with us. We'll wrap things up after these messages.